Model: 2017 Peugeot Expert Dispatch Std BlueHDi 95 Manual 1000 kg Spares OR Repairs Timing belts snapped Open mouth smile Trader worthy grin. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 104,773. MOT: 1 November 2024. Engine: 1560 cc DV6 FDU. Transmission: 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped, gearbox and clutch look all good. Simple and easy repair, belt snap, open mouth smile. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link